Hey everybody, it's Paul, and today I'm going to show you something very special. And as you guessed it, from the giant aircraft behind me, I'm going to show you this aircraft. But it's not any old aircraft. This is the aircraft that will be transporting the Olympic flame from Athens to Japan. So let's put our hard hats on, because safety first, and go explore. So here it is, the Tokyo Go aircraft. So this was a special aircraft made in support of all Nippon Airways and Japan Airlines. And this will be the aircraft that will transport the flame from the handover ceremony in Athens on the 19th of March to Japan. That flame will arrive on the 20th of March, and it will be flown in this super cool and specifically designed aircraft. It's got the Tokyo 2020 Torch Relay pictogram runner emblazoned on the side, the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Torch Relay on the top, and hope lights are way down the bottom. So even though this thing will be flying in the sky, it'll still be running.